them dopamine, dopamine.
What's up? It's a beautiful morning. It is Wednesday. I think Wednesday or Thursday. Box food, I forget. But anyway, vlog world, right now I'm in my kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up some. How me I go? Yeah, me just wake up. When me I go shut up today, me I go shut up some. What me something there? Oh, I'm gonna shut up some bully beef today, vlog world. You know what I mean? That's my favorite thing that right now still. I eat whole heap of beef to just build up my body, because you don't know strongness. I say don't mind my hairstyle, you know, I rock it. You know what I mean? Bad boy style, you see it? No? Anyway, I'm no business, I just rise. Anyway, we're going to chef up some food. We're going to show you know, young girl who can cook or no cook bully beef. You see it? The basic meal. So just go on journey there, boy. Whoop! Girl, so my back, you know, you kind of fix it up. I look like a gangster. You don't know. But anyway, first you're going to need a pot. Yeah, preferably a pot. Me, you know, normally use like a regular pot like this. Can use a regular pot like this. To where them use fried egg and them thing and sausage and them thing there. But me like use this, you see it? You know what I mean? Well, everything in the pot and beer things, yeah. Get a pot, you know. You know what I mean? Preferably one with the cover, you call them, yeah. I think a Dutch pot or something like that, yeah. You see it? Yeah. Get all of my things them together. We're gonna need cooking oil. Definitely gonna need cooking oil. You see it? Then onion. You know what I mean? Because enough hot girl out here at a road and don't know how to cook. You're gonna need tomato. Yeah, preferably small one them. You know what I mean? So you can cut them up nice and thin. And if you have green pepper, yeah, that would be nice also too. You know what I mean? Flavor the food and beer things, you see it? But if you don't have no green pepper, that's cool. If, you know what I mean? That's cool. You know what I mean? A little what you call Scotch bonnet pepper. You know what I mean? Jamaican pepper. Let me take it out and show you. Because I feel see a joke thing with it and see it. Yeah. I put on everything right here, so. You see it? Right there, so. Don't mind them things, guys, because NWC lock off the water pan where we have to store up water. Wicked NWC. But anyway, so after you get all of that now, last thing I'm going to get at this now. It's the last thing right now. You're going to get Grace corned beef. You have the regular one and you have the reduced salt one. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Grace. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's what I gonna get. But I put back that one there because I have some in the fridge already when I use from cook. Last time. You know what I mean? So I make myself some breakfast right now still. So yeah. So we're gonna do it. Well, cook food in our fridge already. So yeah. But just gonna eat up the meat and just do that food. So anyway. Right now, vlog world, I'm going to hot up. Turn on the fire now and blaze it up. And then we take it from there. You see it? So go on journey with your boy. Whoop! We're going to fix up all of the ingredients them and be a thing. You know what I mean? First thing we like to start with. Vlog world. Wash your hand by the way. I'm going to just wash up man. Like start with my onion them first. You know what I mean? Cut up my onion them and be a things. You see it? Yeah man. So I'm going to show you how we do a thing. Right now and cut up them thing here, you know what I mean? Cut them up in pieces and so. You know what I mean? So yeah. What am I gonna do now? Open the tomato. You know what I mean? Just drop in the tomato and weird things. You see? Take two small ones, you know? And then you're gonna cut them up. You know what I mean? So I'm separate this, so I'm put that over there, so. Yeah. You know what I mean? Cut it so. You're not about to chop up on yourself, you know? You know what I mean? Small slices, you know what I mean? Now we're going to do the pepper. What me do, vlog world, is this. Avoid the seed them. See if you can't wife that out there, but yeah. So this is Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Avoid the seed them if you can't take the bone. Avoid the seed them, you know what I mean? What me do? Cut off the skin. So right now, vlog world, I'm gonna go throw some cooking oil in the pot right now and make it bubble up a little bit and do your things, and then yeah, ready now. So I'm gonna use simply natural coconut oil. You know what I mean? See there? Yeah, I couldn't see that a while ago. Simply natural coconut oil. I can use any cooking oil, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it in the pot now and ready up. You see it? First, I'm gonna throw some oil in it there. I'm gonna put a little bit. Don't put enough. You know what I mean? Don't put enough oil, vlog world. You see it? Yeah. So I'm just make the oil hot up now. You see little smoke I come out of it. I don't know if you can see the smoke and thing I come out of it. So yeah. So when it's hot and nice, you know. You see it there? Yeah. Now we're gonna start putting the ingredients them one by one, you know. You see it? Chef in with the boy breakfast edition. Yeah. Girl, so first thing I'm gonna put in now, vlog world, are this. The onion. Then I'll put in the pepper. Then you're gonna put in the bully beef after. Then you're gonna put in this, the sweet pepper, and then the tomato. First, I'm just drop it in there. Yeah, the pot kinda hot, you know. So you have to move a little fast. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna add the pepper, you know. You see it? Marinate it in the oil. You know what I mean? Might look like a burn, but don't worry yourself, man. I just saw the thing set. Now, I'm gonna drop in the canned beef. You see it? Vloggers, so I'm drop it in there. You see it? Oil kind of splash up a little bit still, so you don't know what to that. Yeah, man. So put the bully beef in there, and the pepper, and the onion. You see it? Yeah. Kind of mix it around for about a little 1 minute. You know what I mean? Make the onion and everything just marinate in it. You see it? I wanna reach the fun part yet. The oil kind of get, the onion kind of burn a little still, but nothing wrong with that, you know? That's it. So what we're gonna do now, vlog world, we're gonna add the green pepper now. You see it? Yeah, see it there now? Add the green pepper. Now I'm gonna add the tomato now, vlog world. You see it? Yeah, just have to do that because I hold the camera. Everything hard. Only lucky. You see it? So I stir it up here now. You see it? Mix it up here now. You see it look colorful and nice like when they're on TV. A mad thing. There's something they kind of burn a little bit. Vlog world, the onion, because you have to constantly move it around and through me I hold the vlog camera. But it's alright. You don't really can see. Now what I'm going to add now, a little ketchup now. You see it to the thing. You see it. Yeah, man. And so I use Carl's tomato ketchup or any ketchup. I add some to it, you know, vlog world. And nobody add nothing, you know. Now, for depend on the amount you cook, you know. Just add a little ketchup to it, you know. Yes, man. See it there, man. Add a little ketchup. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now you can store it up with it and thing. Don't add too much because you don't want it to get saggy, you know. So vlog world, you say look now. This is the result of when you add a little bit too much oil. Can be too much oil or too much ketchup. So you have to watch it. Right now, it's alright because it got a few minutes to burn off the oil. And them thing there. You know what I mean? Now what I'm going to add now, guys, at the last part now. This is what you call black pepper. You know what I mean? Well, black pepper, guys. Don't add too much too. Just a light amount. And you're good. The black pepper are done. Anyway, vlog world, I'm going to stir it up now because I don't want it burn up. So, the bully beef done cook now and thing. Some people eat it with crackers. Some with cream crackers. Some with bread. Some with rice. Some with dumpling. But for me, because I breakfast right now, yeah, The bread me I shut it up, you see it? Natural brand. Hardo bread. Cholesterol free, high fiber. Yes, I'm gonna shut you up with this now. Some bread because breakfast, you see it? So all of the hot girl them, yeah. So see me slice up bread there a while ago. Yeah. You see it? Now we're going to the pot. To the best part. You know what I mean? Here's the bull beef after it done simmer. And be a thing to say chunky and nice. Come and give it some time. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now we're gonna pour it up on the bread. Well, beside the bread and be a things you know. Yeah. You see it the right, you know? Don't play with me, boy. That's my nice chunky bully beef here with my tomatoes, that's brain food, and my hard dough bread, well, my wheat bread. Don't play with me, boy. That's my breakfast in the morning right now, you know, starting off the day, right? With cheese slice of bread, I cut that in half. Yeah, be a things vlog world. Yeah, so that's how you cook bully beef. You know what I mean? Bully beef, the healthy way, the right way, you see it? So you see all them hot girls right now? Let me tell you something. Yo, don't come over here if you can't cook. You see it, you can't be hot girl and don't for cook. You can't even cook a corned beef. Yo, some of that girl can't even boil water and you know that. Be a chachi jam bread. You gotta learn how to cook. Yeah? You think you they have your pretty look or what? Go to a restaurant and don't man back book. I want you. You know what I mean? Yeah, vlog girl, so that's how we shut up them corned beef. Let them know, breakfast time. But anyway, vlog world, on a real level still. I'll shut this up for my breakfast and things. So, yo, hope you enjoy the cookings with me in the morning. So, anyway, vlog world, go and journey, boy. I'm going to start the stream right after this. And yeah, when you just come forward, come hang out with your boy and come vibe with your boy. So yeah, thank you very much for having me. And remember, man, nothing can stop us, kids. Got that rock. Whoop, join with your boy.
Everything turn up for me, my friend, them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup, they beg you hurry. With a story, now me brain, me get side, make me